I want to thank everybody for watching CryptoRevolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily, jumping right into the market. Yesterday, we talked about the bearish idea that the weekly candle closed below the previous low. That's bearish idea. Obviously, we had some downside continuation today out of Bitcoin, small pullback. Alts took a hit. The problem here is you've got a low and a lower low. Another problem, I told you, write it down on your whiteboards. You bearishly retested the 200 SMA, which has been the weekly bear market bottom, and you're underneath it again, right? Almost all previous bear markets, this has been the bottom, this yellow 200, and we're below it, just like we were for an extended period of time back here. So you've got a lot of macroeconomic conditions that aren't amazing going on in the United States economy. Does this come into play here? What we do know is you got a lower low on the weekly chart. Not amazing. Not amazing, because the next high could potentially just be a lower high. Highly probable. Bitcoin daily chart. So you got your death cross confirmed on the daily now. You saw the move to the downside. Now, if you notice, Bitcoin back here on the daily came down to the same level, right about 25,100. And here Bitcoin is catching some bids. If you see some type of move back up here, and a rejection would be a bearish retest, and you're looking for downside, you lose this level right here. I mean, you could see $20,000 Bitcoin. I mean, there is support at 23,700, 21,750. But again, things can happen quickly with Bitcoin. Where are the buyers at? I mean, that's ultimately the question. Bulls cannot lose this level, which this is the total too. We talked about the altcoins being in jeopardy based on this idea. You got your shoulder, head, shoulder here, right? Very critical. We've been talking about for a while, back over a month and a half ago. This pattern, bearish idea, and the altcoins did lose this level. I've got actually a wallet held by Vitalik Buterin, the creator of Ethereum, and he's moved a bunch of his coins, his Ethereum, to Bitstamp. Obviously, you don't move the coins to Bitstamp unless you're trying to sell them, and so we'll talk about that in just a minute. Losing this $500 billion level. And again, you have all these wicks, which can be bought up, right? So, I mean, you want to see some type of bearish trap. Otherwise, this continues to the downside. 25% pullback by all the altcoins is in the cards. So understand that idea. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. The leverage group is killing it. Leverage group bangers. 324%, 284, 260, 244, 253, 185, 181, 162. Banger after banger. I can't make the chart go up. I can't make these coins go up, but we're taking these small moves out of Bitcoin, trading the altcoins with leverage, and we're making money. This is where the money's at, right? If you want to make money right now, here's how you do it. We've got 670 people in the leverage group already. Go to cryptorev.net and you get $100 off if you put in coupon code leverage100. I'll run this for a few more days. Leverage 200, you get $200 off 13 months, and you start making money. You got to build your bags in the bear market, period. Make a MEXC account where the money's being made. People all over the world using MEXC, and some people trading leverage, some people trading spot altcoins. There's 2,000 altcoins you're able to trade on MEXC. Game changer for the United States. PayPal rolls out a crypto for USD conversion service. So their crypto wallet users in the United States can convert their crypto to USD directly from their wallets into their PayPal balance, so they can shop, send, save, or transfer to their bank or debit card. So again, in the background, all of this is happening, bear market or not, like this, the infrastructure, easy in, easy out for crypto is happening. And so these are the wallets that are related to Vitalik, Future, the founder of Ethereum. He transferred 2,000 ETH to this wallet, 0x556784. Same, these wallets have deposited a total of 2,700 Ethereum, about $4.77 million to Bitstamp in last month. Why do you move Ethereum to exchanges to sell it? So Vitalik moving massive amounts of Ethereum around. Solana, which Solana's been constantly in the news because everybody thinks that FTX is just going to completely dump $1 billion worth of Solana. However, the SOL Solana that's owned by FTX debitors is locked, and this aspect is not mentioned in the presentation down here, right? So FTX Alameda, they managed to purchase 16% of the SOL supply from the Solana Foundation, but again, this lockup schedule. So really, all the Solana can't be dumped for a period of time, 2025 to 2027. So it could take years because of this linear vesting happening. You've got major market madness coming. If they start this sell-off, the court will make a decision on this idea on the 13th. Also, Gary Gensler is coming out, and this guy is a piece of work. He's coming out actually tomorrow. He's going to hold firm on the crypto enforcement idea in the Senate hearing. So they're talking about how he's seemingly unfazed by this. Obviously, you saw Grayscale and XRP both win court cases against the SEC. However, Gary Gensler, he's still pushing hard for the SEC to oversee crypto. And he's calling all these cryptos securities. So we got to deal with this guy. He says most of the tokens are subject to security laws, and it follows the intermediaries as well. So he's holding strong on crypto securities, and then the exchanges are responsible as well. And so he's dragging the exchanges into it with these cryptos, calling them securities. This is going to happen tomorrow when he gives a testimony for the Senate Banking Committee hearing. So again, what will that do to the market over the next 24 hours? We'll see. Again, Solana, just to talk about this chart, we drew this trend line we talked about the other day where it's been bouncing multiple times. If it doesn't bounce here, and there's probably going to be some panic selling just based on these ideas. But selling some of the Solana tokens is going to happen depending on this court case that's coming on the 13th, right? So if that gets approved, they're going to start slowly rolling out sales of Solana onto the crypto market, driving the price lower. Bitcoin dominance. So previously you had resistance, 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 resistance. Now it's support. If this thing bounces, altcoins get wrecked, right? You do not want to see this breakout to the upside, but it's likely. You've got this support level, strong support level. You got a falling wedge, 68% chance it breaks to the upside. If Bitcoin drops and this thing pumps, altcoins can take a big hit. So pay attention. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.